Chicken Tinga. Ingredients: 1 pound whole boneless chicken breast, 4 plum tomatoes, 1 1/4 large white onions, 3 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons canned chipotle, 1 teaspoon Mexican oregano, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1 cup chicken broth, 3 tablespoons cooking oil, salt to taste. In a large saucepan, cover the chicken with an inch of water. Bring water to a boil. Reduce heat to low and simmer for 20 minutes. Remove chicken from the cooking water. Save the broth. Allow chicken to cool to the touch. Finally shred the chicken. Cut the chicken into 1-inch pieces, then pull apart with your fingers. Clean, seed, and chop the tomatoes. Add tomatoes to your blender. To your blender, add 2 tablespoons canned chipotle, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon Mexican oregano, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, and 1 cup of the reserved chicken broth. Blend until smooth. About 1 minute. Thinly slice 1 large white onion. Yields approximately 1½ cups. Slice 2 cloves of garlic. Preheat a large frying pan over medium-low heat and add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Add the sliced onions to the pan. Cook until the onion starts to become translucent in about 4 minutes. Do not allow the onion to brown. Add the sliced garlic to the pan. Cook for 1 more minute. Turn the heat to medium and slowly pour the sauce into the pan with the onions and garlic. Cook for 5 minutes. The sauce will start to reduce. Turn the heat to low. Add the shredded chicken to the pan and mix well with the sauce. Cover the pan and allow to simmer for 20 minutes. During this time the sauce will reduce even more and coat the chicken and onion. Salt to taste. Serve as a taco or tostada filling.